I'm here in Toronto at this Persian restaurant called Shamsuri, and I ordered my favorite dish, which is the Gormeh Sabzi, which is a stew of beef, could be lamb sometimes, and it's cooked with lots of green herbs here and red beans. Now, it doesn't look like much, but this dish is incredibly delicious, and all I kept thinking of is what if I switched out the beef for oxtail and put a Caribbean fusion on it. And that's exactly what I did, and this is how I made it. The ingredients are simple. It's everything green. So you have parsley, cilantro, fenugreek, dried fenugreek leaves, leeks, scallions, and those are those delicious fenugreek leaves, garlic, and Persian limes. That's what gives it its authentic flavor. Now, to season it, we're adding a little bit of Spice King Caribbean curry seasoning, and then we're going to add a little bit of Spice King Oxtail Seasoning. Together, it's going to be so delicious, savory. It's going to be true to the authentic Iranian Persian dish, but it's going to have a little bit of a Caribbean flair to it. That's going to be delicious. And of course, we're going to amp up the umami with oyster sauce and a little bit of soy sauce and mushroom sauce, and that's going to bring out the coloring in the oxtail, the flavor, the umami. Is going to be really delicious. Now we're going to sear the oxtail in beef tallow. We're going to get a nice sear so we develop that deep, rich, beefy flavor profile. And we're going to flip it and make sure each one is brown. This is what it looks like when it's brown. Next, we're going to add black pepper. And once it's brown, we're going to add it to our simmering water. We're going to save all of that marinade that we made, the seasonings. And also, we're going to deglaze the pan that we browned the oxtail in with a little bit of hot water and add that to our pot as well. Now it's time to dry out the herbs. So we're adding our leeks, shallots, onions, scallions, and garlic. And we're going to saute that until it's fragrant. We're going to add a bay leaf, and we're also going to add a little bit of the dried fenugreek leaves. And then we're going to add all of our cilantro and parsley and scallion tops. Everything green, we're going to saute that up and dry it out. Now, what gives it that rustic, authentic flavor is dried limes. We're going to add 4 or 5 of that as well. And once you see the greens turn dark and the liquid has evaporated out of it, we can add it to our pot of oxtail. And we're going to simmer all of this down. Next, we're going to add a Caribbean secret, which is a green seasoning. This green seasoning is a puree of everything like bell peppers, onions, scallions, all that good stuff. Then we're going to add clove, a little bit of allspice to enhance that flavor, and then a little bit of fresh lime juice. Next, we're going to rebalance the flavor by adding a little bit more of Spice King Oxtail Seasoning. We're going to add a pinch of MSG, salt, and sugar, and I'm using a raw turbinado sugar and coarse sea salt. Look at the texture of this oxtail. It's so tender, it's falling off the bone. And when you pair it with that green sauce, that gravy from that stew, it's absolutely epic, y'all. You have to try this recipe. I love it. It's such a great fusion of cultures. Next and last, we're going to add our red kidney beans. I ran out of the dark one, so I added a can of the lighter color, but it still was all delicious. Epic. Big shout outs to all my Persian family out there, my Iranian family out there. Thanks for watching, and try my seasonings.